Welcome to Module 1, Basic Computing. In this module, you will work through two sections. The first section is file management in a computerized system, and this relates to Windows Explorer. If you click on the icon here, you will be directed to another area which has your learning content. As you read through your learning content, you will also have audio that will introduce each area. Each area has different slides, and if you progress through the slides one by one, you will gain the content and understanding of each module. At any stage you may wish to print the page, and you can do so by pressing the print button in the corner at the bottom of that page. In Microsoft 365, again you will be introduced to various slides. In this area, you will have interactive activities that you will undertake as you learn all about OneDrive. These could be multiple choice, or they could be drag a word, or they could be true or false. You will receive a score as you progress through the activities, and this will lead to you receiving a badge on completion. Once you have completed this module, you will, in your own time, move to the next module. Module 2, Telephone Techniques.